Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about CobinHood, which is a video that I've done previously. This is just an update for it. So, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification button. And of course, leave a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm. So, let's get started. So, as you can see on CobinHood Exchange, there is a financial product on the exchange itself, which is yeah, previously I've done a video talking about it. I'm going to link it above. So it's going to pop. So I'll summarize again. So what is the financial product? Before we get started, Robinhood is an exchange with 0% of fee. So you can do trade unlimited amount of trades with the awesomely true 0% fee. So yeah, if you're interested, you can use the link down below to sign up and of course get started on trading. And of course, KYC is it is possible if you want to do KYC for larger amounts of trades, withdrawal or deposit. So yeah, let's get started with the financial product. The main video I'm going to talk about 9%, 0.9% within like 3 days. So as you can see, this is the chart over here. The first day of it is 19th of April, which is a lockup. So as you can see the timeline over here. So the lockup date is 19th of April. So as you can see over here, 19th of April, it has been locked up at the 12 a.m. and at the 8 a.m. it has already have a gain of 0.38%. So yeah, so basically, what is this? This is just basically a financial product that yeah basically help you so if you have like Bitcoin, let's pay back again. So as you can see, there is funding period of Bitcoin and US dollar tether, US tether. So basically, this is done by Token Mania. What they basically do is they trade the Bitcoins that is being offered to them with pairs of whatever on whatever exchange to make profit. So let's say Bitcoin to Ethereum, Bitcoin to US dollar, or Bitcoin with other pairs. So with their own algorithm bot that they have created, done automatically if not done by human decision. So either that, they are just going to use the fund that we have raised over here is 19.9999 worth of Bitcoin. So they're going to use the Bitcoin and trade. And of course, the daily profit is going to be shown over here. So this is like they're gonna do multiple trades in a day, and after that, from there, they're gonna average out the percentage by using whatever calculator they have generated for themselves to view. So basically, for the first day, let's say they've done trading, let's say out of 10 trades, two trade is failure and a trade is successful, which will generate profit. But on some days, there's going to be negative returns. Therefore, the whole summarize of this settlement. So there's a settlement date. So on the settlement date itself, it is going to show the true value of the profits. But right now, they're just doing quite good from 0.3% to 0.7 and 0.9. So as you can see, the average out just by this 3 day, there's a 0.3% profit just by averaging out per day. So if this keeps going on, so 90 days times 0.3, which is the optimum, it is going to be like around 27%, which is going to be higher than this max return. But unfortunately, there is some days which is rainy day, I would say. Basically, some days will not be profitable, and of course, there's going to be negative return. But at the end of the settlement date, if the trades that they have done it is negative, there's more negative than positive. Definitely, at the end of this 90 days, there's going to be a negative result. But hopefully, it will not happen. But from this chart over here, it is quite good for 3 days, and from their previous trades, the trading chart, I would say yeah, they are quite good traders, making some good I would say like decisions. So there's a issuer profile. A profile is over here. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm not gonna explain to it. Yeah, basically they are well known in Shanghai and Hangzhou and Beijing, all located in China. So these trade from this company is somehow in based on China. So they are trader over it doing trades. So 90 days lockup. So yeah, basically this is just a 3 day profit. I'm gonna do like maybe next month I'm gonna do another update or whatsoever. At the end of the last month, I'm gonna show how much I have earned. So from there, if you are interested in this financial product of CobinHood, which you can get ready by is just signing up using my link below, and from there, yeah, just do some trades and earn some freebies from CobinHood, which has much more interesting stuff like the candy machine, which you are able to earn some Bitcoin from it, which is, yeah, this exchange I would say is quite decent and, yeah, reputable for the 0% fee. So basically this is just a 3-day update. So as you can see, 3 days update, the latest return is 0.9%, which is incredible just by 3 days. Um, yeah, so basically that's the end of this video, and I hope you like it. And of course, if you are interested in CobinHood, kindly sign up, and of course doesn't hurt you. If you are going to do like trades of US dollar, US Tether towards Bitcoin or whatsoever large amount, I would say you might need some time to get your order to be filled, because this exchange has volume but does not has as much volume as like Binance or whatsoever. So yeah, basically it's just growing, it's still growing. That's why they are putting more and more services into the platform, which you can see you can earn free token and people listing their ICO project there, and you can, yeah, the coin offering platform and whatsoever. Yeah, so that's all for this video, and I hope you like it. Peace.